All right, y'all. Today is January the 5th on a Monday. So this is the first trading week of the year. So it's very important to be cautious this week because anything can happen, especially with fundamentals being very mixed. So let's get right into it. So with DXY on this day right here, daily candle, we actually closed very bearish. The expectation was to see price push above here because if it did that, then I would have showed strong momentum for USD Japan because if US if the US dollar is going up, then we know pairs like USD Japan can go up, which means pairs like Euro is going down. But in this case, because DXY went down, that means potentially USD Japan could be going down. So if we look at the 4 hour, we can see here that when we came into this back into this level, we had a strong rejection pushing down here. So just some things that can potentially happen. If DXY decide to push up or push up at least somewhat and then break back down and retest here, at that point we could be seeing US dollar continue to going down in this downward direction unless it decides to break it back above here. Other than that, this is showing definitely some nice strong bearish momentum. So what that mean for USD Japan? That means we could be seeing USD Japan potentially going down, right? So as you can see here, we can see USD Japan is right here. So price was here. So when this happened right here, this would cause USD Japan to drop because DXY had dropped at that resistance level, which is where USD Japan was at and decided to drop. So as you can see, we had a clear breaking structure. So we take this right here and line this up right here. You can see where price came up, came down, came up, made a clear break. That's why I always tell y'all, follow the structure, don't overthink it. And right now we had a strong area where price retesting. So price can do two things here. It can continue respecting this level and continue going down deeper, right? Especially with DXY, going bearish. So as long as the US dollar continues strong down momentum, yeah, we could be seeing USD Japan continue pushing down lower. So that's why I say y'all really want to be cautious this week. Like I said, it's definitely a fundamentals are very mixed. So uh, if price was to break above here, then yeah, price could potentially go back up to these areas like this. Like I said, this is a bullish CRT setup. So if it was to break above here, then yeah, I could be seeing price even push to here. But even if price did push to here, 9 and 10 is going to shoot right back down because DXY is showing bearish momentum. But as long as DXY continue to keep going down, then yeah, 9 and 10, this might respect this level and then continue going down as well too. So let's look at gold. And guess what? If DXY is going down, then guess what? Gold gonna be going up. It's just like yields. If yields is going down, that means gold is going up. If yields is going up, that means gold is going down. As you can see here, we did close bearish the previous week, but as you can see, we had this nice momentum right here where price came down, came up, made it swing low, made equal highs, came back down, make equal low, making a little range, and then finally broke out of this range. So if price decide to retest right here, 910, it could retest and continue going up. Now let's say if it don't want to respect this level right here, then another thing that can happen is if it do break below here, then we could be seeing this while continue to push more down into this zone. But alone, we respect this right here and it starts showing buyers start kicking in, then yeah, we could be seeing gold continue to push up. So let's look at yields and see how yields is doing right now. So even on yields, we're really in a big old range on yields. So you can see here where on yields, let me just take this off real quick. On yields, you can see where prices just has been in a little big old range, right? And right now we're kind of in this like little up momentum and a little choppy little range. So on a weekly time frame, this is what yields really look like. This right here. So we in a nice, down momentum. So if price break above here on yields, then yeah, that's not good for gold. That means gold could be dropping. But as long as yield keeps showing momentum that want to push down, and especially if we get back below here, then yeah, we could be seeing gold continue definitely going up strong. So, but right now we did close bearish the previous day, which is actually good for gold, which means that actually support gold to continue to push up, and especially with U.S. capture that happened in Venezuela. So all that stuff is bullish for gold because why? That gives uncertainty to investors, and when there's uncertainty in the world, then people start going to safe haven pairs. So gold is like one of them safe haven investments that people like to go to and put their money into. So, like I said, this week's the week you want to kind of be cautious, especially it's the first week of the year to just kind of see how price going to play out for the year, So, other than that, if y'all any other serious traders or just traders who are brand new, if y'all have a pair that y'all want me to look at, just drop in the comments below, and I'll actually make a video on it and tag you in it. Break it down and tag you in it. So I'll see you next video. Peace.